This particular song, it's called Nellie and Bhrollaigh Ghile, and it's Nellie of the snowy-breasted Nellie.
Yeah.
And it's a love song, of course, and like all the Sean-nós songs, Frankie, usually the woman is loved by two.
Yeah.
And this is no exception. Nellie was loved by the Lord of Hope, Cill Chiaráin, and she was also loved by a fisherman, it would appear. Now, I don't have all the facts.
Was he from Hope as well, he was?
I'd say so, because of the fishing and all of that.
Yeah.
But it just goes to show what a long time ago it is since this song was written. Because, I mean, there'd be no Sean-nós today, I'd imagine, in Hope, more in Treasa. However, Nellie is, we don't know who Nellie is really in love with. We're not given any insight into that. But the Lord, anyway, seems to have written the song, because he speaks out in the song and says he wishes he was a fisherman, and that Nellie was a salmon in the middle of Lough Erne, and he would be trying to fish the salmon and keep fishing until he caught the salmon.
Beautiful.
And he also wishes that he was an emperor. Because if he was an emperor, he'd have ships to set to sea, and that he'd bring Nellie back. It seems that Nellie was gone off with a fisherman or something like that, and he's wishing that he was a fisherman so that he'd find her somewhere along the way. So that's the scale.
Yeah,
anyway.
terrific.
Yeah, it's a beautiful song.
It's called?
Nellie and Bhrollaigh Ghile.
Lovely. Beautiful.
So there's about 12 verses on it, so we'll give a few verses anyway. Nellie on Bhrollaigh Ghile, no one's you cachan on Lena. Gola fishke, gola brandy, gola banya, haurig leie. Sport is Cill